Hello guys, welcome back again. And in this video, we are going to analyze dot coin for short term and long term basis, and we will analyze with the market structure, with ICT concepts, and then volume spread analysis. Actually, our strategy is based on the multiple confluence of two or three different methods, so we usually takes confirmation from each method, and then we also use price action patterns to finally enter in the market. So previously this type of structure was forming on weekly time frame in dot. So now I was expecting to break upside, but currently that does not happen yet, and market consistently testing this lower trend line. All our group members was in buy side from these areas, and some have booked 50% here, and 50% we usually let it run for the long term, but with the stop losses, with the break even, because this whole market is very unpredictable, and we cannot believe on it. That's why we put break even and stop losses to prevent major losses. Okay, because maybe some fundamental news can come, some major development can came, and maybe some restrictions and all those stuffs, maybe some major hacks. So by looking at the history of all these cryptos, we can determine that anything can happen at any time. So that's why stop losses are very necessary, especially if you are doing in altcoins, then those have a lot of fluctuations. Now let's go on daily time frame, and let's see what we can expect. This area was very good, which I mentioned in my previous day. Of course it was little bit risky, which I told you, but still it has worked very well, and market is going upside. So although this area I told you not that much valid, but still it worked very well, because there was bullish fair value gap, and there was downside support area. So I was expecting the bitcoin to go more down in next 2 or 3 days, but let's see if that retracement happens or not. If bitcoin gives retracement up to 115 area or 117 area, it will be great. Then based on some other confirmations, we will go for the long side. Okay, now let's check on lower time frames like 4 hour and 1 hour. So 1 hour market is going up, and there is mixture of volume here in this move. It cannot be properly determined. Actually, proper confirmation in the bitcoin is very necessary now. If bitcoin officially goes into full bullishness, and if retracement, if bitcoin is at retracement level, then based on those things we can go further. But if you see, then let's see if we see some candlestick pattern in this area. Yeah, bullish engulfing was there on this area with the fair value gap on 4 hour. Still it has worked very well, and now it is tested this bearish fair value gap. So our formula is simple: if all confirmations are there, fair value gap, support and resistance, all those stuffs, and if volumes are aligning, then final confirmation will be based on candlestick patterns or price action pattern. If those are available, like here bullish engulfing, then we can enter. We don't blindly enter with any candlestick pattern. We don't blindly enter with any support and resistance. We don't blindly enter with any fair value gap. When there is two or three confirmations available, then we usually go. And it has great accuracy like 65% or 80%. Now, if you wanted to learn about fair value gaps, market structure, volume spread analysis, then you can join our premium courses which are available on Udemy, and those are available with very cheap prices and discounted prices. Usually, Udemy give high quality courses in very good prices, so that's why joining those courses is highly recommended for everyone.